Hello all. Today I'm going to explain the unboxing of Karcher WD3 vacuum cleaner. As you know, the Karcher WD3 multi-purpose vacuum cleaner is a super powerful with a power consumption of just 1000 watts. It's robust and impact resistant plastic container which has a capacity of 17 liters. The cartridge filter enables the convenient vacuum of wet and dry without the filter replacement. As you know, the Karcher is a German brand and it is well known for the vacuum cleaners. So you can trust Karcher for, and the WD3 is one of the best and the cost effective and economic vacuum cleaner from Karcher. So now I'm going to unbox it, the new one, which is I got from Amazon, which comes around. I got it around 4,800 rupees. And this is a multi-purpose vacuum cleaner. You can use it for the home and as well as the car cleaner. So I'm just unboxing, opening it that one. So the it's we can use it. This is a multi-purpose, that is you can use easily for the wet and dry purpose. And there is a new suction hose, and it has the floor nozzle mixed with contribute optimum dirt cleaning and ensure the perfect cleanliness. So it's very pretty easy to use, and you can have the push and pull locking system, and it's an ergonomic carrying style, and you can store anywhere. So it's pretty handy design. So it's well packed by Amazon, and this is in black and yellow color. So you can see that the new one. So this is the main hose. I'm just pulling it out, the black one. So this is the main hose that can be plugged into the vacuum cleaner. So it's around 2 meters long, 2 meters long, and it can be easily accessible. And this is the part. This one is mainly connected to the vacuum cleaner. The other end is we can connect with the other tools and other nozzles. So this is a clip over there, so you can easily connect with the vacuum cleaner. So this is the main tube. So this is good of good quality. So I'm just holding with my hand. This is the main part which can be connected to the vacuum cleaner. It's just, you can see a press button over there. So it comes around 2 meters long. So this pretty good, and you will get the brochure. So it has every notes in different languages. So you can see all the details in that. The catalog has all the images with all the how to use everything, can be inside this, the catalog. So you can see the warranty details, service and everything inside the catalog. And the, this is another rod, this is an extension that we can be connected to the main rod at the end. So it comes around 90 centimeters long, pretty good plastic. And the next one is also another extension. So this can be extended up to 4 meters, not 4 meters, it can be extended up to around 3 meters, 3 to 3.5 meters. So that pretty, it can be pretty easily accessible. This is the bag, which we can the collecting the dust particles. This is the reusable bag. So it's pretty has, you can easily install that one. You can see an hole, that is connected to the work inside of the vacuum cleaner, and all the dust particles will be comes under this. And this is a reusable one, and it's made of paper bag, but it's reusable. So I'm just pulling off the vacuum cleaner. So you can see it's pretty black and yellow color. So it's a good quality and it's made of good plastic. Even though you can see another Walker WD3 premium, but the major difference is that it's made of the WD3 premium made of steel, and WD3 made of plastic, full body plastic. And you can see the main hole over here, main hole, and you can see the power button, you can see the culture. So it's a good decent product at this price range. And because it have the both wet and dry, so you can see that. So the power button is at the top of the vacuum cleaner, so just you can on and off button. So you can see this is the main hole, you can connecting the, so just the power button. So you can connect the main wire with the hole. So I'm just rotating the one, so you can see the handles, and the exhaust fan, the wires. The wire is around 3 meters long. So I think it's pretty long, and you can easily carry. So this is the main hole. You can connect the main hose into that hole. Just clip plug and play. And this is another accessories, that is this is the brush with have the both dry and the wet. So you can see the brushes over here that will clean the dust. And the next the another set is so I'm just opening the inner section. So this is the filter. So you can see this is washable filter, and you can just remove this filter, and you can wash when you have the wet cleaning. And so inside that you can see few more accessories. And this is the main cleaning, the main nozzle. So we need to fit the brush into this nozzle to clean the floors, so both the wet and dry option. So you can just easily connect the brush into that nozzle. So this is wet function for the wet cleaning, and the opposite side is the dry function. So this can be connected at the end of the long tube, which the main tube. And this is another accessories, which can be used for cleaning the sofa carpets. The car, we can use it as the car also. You can, the thick thin edges, you can easily go into all the parts of the floors. And this is the wheels, which you have the four wheels. So that you can easily connect at the bottom of, which can be rolled out for different purpose. So I'm just connecting, fitting the wheels. So it's pretty easy to fit the wheel. You can just push that wheel into that hole and just press it tightly. That's all. So wheel is fitted. So it's pretty handy, and it's pretty easily fittable, and you can roll it to anywhere of the floor. So this is pretty easy to fit, you can see that. And see, I'm just rolling this one. So it's the wheels are pretty nice, and I'm connecting the main hose into the main hole. So just connected, and then if you want to remove, just press off the button. That's pretty easy to remove and fit. This is the main nozzle. And so you can see this is the connector. So this can be used for the cleaning of sofas, all the dust particles which can be there. So we can easily connect and all, and this can be connected into the main hole. So it's just a push and plug hole, so that can be easily connected. So you can see that it's pretty easily connected. So I'm just connecting the other rod so that it will, so this will get the hose lengthier, so you can extend the connector using another rod, and you can, so this is pretty easily for cleaning the dust from the walls, the windows, blinds, etc., curtains. So it's for the fans on the top of the wall, the floor ceilings. This can be easily connected, and this is also the floor cleaner can be connected, so that the cleaning can be, this can be extended. So you can see how much this can be extended, so you can clean under the courts. You can clean in a lot of cleaning area. It will cover a lot of cleaning area while fitting. So it's pretty useful, and you can easily carry and extend up to 4 meters. That's what they're promising. So I think it's pretty handy that one. So the this is the new suction hose. The suction power is pretty good on this. So I'm just so I can, it can be up to the height of the wall, height of the ceiling. So that is pretty close on that, and you can easily carry within the hands. If it's the floor or wall is pretty high, then it is correct. So we can easily can easily remove the pot. So you can see that. So pretty easy to remove this. So you can so I'm just removing all the parts. So you can use this as well. So you can see the nozzle. So I'm just removing that. So it is pretty very easy to fix and remove all the parts. So I'm using the another parts. So this is pretty for basic use for the cleaning, and I'm just viewing the length of the cord. So you can see the length is pretty good, and you can extend up to the wall level and up to the ceiling as well, and you can easily carry and can extend up to ceiling. So I'm just pouring some water, so how the wet is working. So I think this has a good suction power, and this will easily clean the dry, dry, wet floor pretty good. And so if you are cleaning the wet floor, you need to remove the the paper bag. Otherwise it will get, the water will be filled into that vacuum cleaner. So before cleaning the wall, you need to remove the bag, and see, you can see the water, you can see the water on the wet cleaning. So all the water will be filled in that, and you can easily wiped out that. So all the dust will be coming on this, and it is stored it well. So it easily, you can carry it easily. So, and all the there is a storage area, and you can easily remove all the parts, and you can fit within the vacuum cleaner itself. So I prefer Karcher. For the other brands like the Eureka, Forbes, or the Prestige, Inalsa, the Karcher is very known product. Thanks for watching the video. Please share, like, subscribe.